some vermouth. We are here in the sun, right outside the Plaza de Virgin. Just on the other side of the church tower here.
Yeah, what a beautiful weather.
Beautiful day today. My watch says it's 68. It says a high 75.
Since I've been having a couple of beer throughout the morning, so I'm taking a little bit of break. Remember, guys, when we did a tasting test? This was actually first of our pick of a Sin Alcohol beer. So,
Cheers.
cheers. Guys, we're here for lunch. It's a place called the Bodega de la Sarieta. So it's really cute and cozy. It's not yet too crowded, so we decided to take a seat here and enjoy some traditional Spanish and also Valencian food. So we ordered some aperitivo, which is some of the artichoke, and we got some rice dish. We also got some fish. So before that, we're gonna have some wine and wait for the food. It is a beautiful place, and it's such a beautiful weather, so we're enjoying the day. We got some marinated olive here, and some, I believe it's some sort of a tomato sauce with some toasted bread. Delicious. Give it a try. I don't exactly know what's in it, but it's really good. I think it's some sort of a tomato sauce that was marinated with. Delicious.
All right, our artichokes are here. Looks like we have some artichoke, some ham, and some breadcrumbs. Looks like they have been grilled to perfection. All right, let's give it a try. First, let's try this. I think it's breadcrumb, but fried. These are grilled to perfection here. Mmm. Ham is crispy. Artichokes are grilled perfectly. Tender, smoky, salty. Yum.
Okay, so our main dish came out. So this is, if you look at it, it's a little, has like a soupy rice. They call it a Arroz Meloso. So it's a little soupy rice, has a jamon, ham, and also have a pulpo. So the octopus has some artichoke on it. And I'm gonna try this rice. I love rice dish in Spain. So there are so many different variety. We usually order paella, but we'll kind of wanted to try a different thing today. So let's try this. Here. Oh yeah, let's get a big octopus. Oh. Mmm. It's delicious. It's very hearty. The octopus has a little bit of like a smoky flavor, so it's very good. Not overly salty. Sometimes rice meloso, these arroz meloso can be really salty, but it's delicious. Now the second dish is never tried this before. It says Pebre. Pebre, I believe that's what it's called. It's a Valencian traditional dish. And it has some, looks like a stew. Has like a potatoes and some fish in it. Oh wow. I've never tried this before, so let's give it a try. Here's a fish. I'll get some of the potatoes and some of the broth right here. Looks like it has a little bit of maybe have a bone in it. Wow. Take the bone out. I think it's a sardine. I think. Very soft. Potato just fall apart. So soft. Delicious. Yummy.
Que aproveche.
Yeah, proveche. This dish is actually it's an eel. I thought it was a different dish, but then we tried it. It was very what do you call it? It's very bouncy texture, but it's actually eel. So, you know, we just saw some fresh eels at the market. It might be a season, but it is an eel.
All right, guys, we just finished our meal here. Delicious. If you're in Valencia, stop by. As you see behind me, it's a cute little place. They have about 6 tables outside, a bunch of tables inside. Stellar place. Charles is the owner. Super nice guy. Speaks a little bit of English, but him and his wife run the place, and it looks like they've been here for quite a long time. So we're gonna go get that dessert we've been talking about the whole video. We'll see you here in just a couple of minutes.
Hi guys, we are here, the dessert place we've been talking about, La Polleria. It has a very special shape of dessert. I'll show you. I won't say that word, but it's very interesting. I don't know. Hopefully it tastes good.
¿Cuánto nos comemos el día de hoy, guapa? Guapa, guapas. Una cremosa.
Good stuff. Guys, if you're in Valencia or Madrid, this is, I think, their 3rd location. They're going to be franchising this. I've not been to the one in Madrid. This one just opened up about 5 days ago. It's good. Try it out when you're in downtown Valencia, right here in the Plaza de la Virgen.
Very soft, fluffy. Chocolate, feels so sweet. It's like white chocolate, milk chocolate. Feels kind of weird to eat.
All right, guys, the dessert is over. But needless to say, it's actually really good.
It was delicious. I mean, other than the shape, the weirdness of the whole like conversation of like OMG, but
yeah,
it was actually pretty tasty, and it was very sweet, but it's a great dessert.
we're signing off now.
So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please comments below. We want to hear from you what you think of it. And please hit the subscribe and a like button. And then turn on that notification button so you'll be notified for our next video.
All right, guys, until next time, hasta luego.
Hasta luego.